Finding other humans is so difficult on this map and nobody's ever gonna push. What are the odds that guy is still waiting there? My bet is like 80%. Because that guy is still spawning the shields. That means that he's like somebody's aggressing. I feel like that dude is legit waiting still there. Why would he be shielding? Would you rather play Dark and Dark every day or Dungeons and Dragons every day? This D&D sounds a bit tedious every day. No fighting. Man. What is this room? Oh, what the fuck? My bad, Skelly. Didn't know he'd do be like that. Yeah, fuck this shit, let's just go hell. Let's just go hell and see what's up. Dead lobby. What the fuck, just closed D&D, decided to watch some LOL, but this dude's playing D&D. My bad, Morpheus. Okay, please tell me it's double door. Nope, I hate the single door spawn. I just feel like so cornered, you know? Wait a second. I know this room. This room's not that terrible. I just have to get there and I can cheese, no? That is a nightmare, fucker. Afraid of ranged Skelly getting me. Okay, this is nice. My longbow is kind of goated in hell. You get a lot of money's worth for a single arrow. These guys are insane.